Today, Women's Ministry, this is a 13th or 14th lecture, Saint Thomas, John 20, chapter 24 to 29. If the Thomas would have not come to India, I, the Dominic, is not there, instead in other religion. Believe or not, not a single church in India, or not a education and health services in India. A single person made India incredible with, in a span of time, more or less 50 years. He came on shore of Kerala and martyred in Tamil Nadu. He preached in his Jewish language, stayed without shelter, approached every poor person on shore. He trusted in Christ. Jesus was with him, a single person. So all his followers, missionaries, had changed life India. As the Bible quotes, one of the disciples, the twin Thomas, was not there at the time with others. When they were disciples keep telling him, "We have seen the Lord," he replied, "I won't believe in it unless I see the nail wounds in his hands and put my fingers into them and place my hand into his side." 8 days later, the disciples were together again, and the time Thomas was with them. The doors were locked, but suddenly, as before, Jesus was standing away among them and greeting them. Then he said to Thomas, "Put your fingers into my hands, put your hands into my side. Don't be faithless any longer. Believe my words." Then Thomas said, "Lord, my God." So Jesus told them, "You believe because you have seen me, but blessed are those who haven't seen me and believe anyway." Today, I want to go in a depth study of Saint Thomas or Thomas. He was a Jewish, and he knows all the belief in the Torah and activities of Jewish knowledge. He was a follower of Jews and keeping all the act and all the belief as intact. Whenever he was with Jesus, he had not changed his mind's views and principles and theory, vision. According to Jesus' teaching, he was a follower. He was a faithless till Jesus appeared and told him that, "Put your finger in my side." So till he was a strictly Jewish fellow. So being a Jewish, it is not a bad thing, but it is a very credible thing, because they believe Torah very keenly, very particular, stanza to stanza, iota to iota. They were believing on Torah because they were taught that Torah has given direct from God, and Jesus Christ is the Son of God, or he is a Messiah, they say. They believe, Jews believe still now, they believe he is a Messiah. But they cannot convert Jesus into Son of God Jesus is a God Himself. They cannot purview, check, believe, trust, and manage, alter their faith. According to Jesus' teaching, Jewish people are very tough in belief. Their trust on Moses and Torah was very concrete, and that's why they have kept the five books alive, 5 books stay, and that books are our Bibles platform. We can say it is a platform of Bible. Without 5 books, Bible would have not completed. And they have kept the Bible by writing by ages, rewriting by ages, and keeping. There were 7 to 8 attacks on Babylon, Rome, and then Israelites, and all even Canaanites, Philistines, all fellows, all kings have captured and attacked them because they know they have much more gold, because Jews used to give the which are they for God more than 10% of their earning offering. They used to give 10% of their earning, and some people more than that, or some people hold as the widow woman came and gave the 2 coins as all her livings that day. She had put in the offering, and Jesus told that that offering will be remain in minds of God, and it will be go to heaven. So this Thomas, one of the Jews, and so he was not totally believing resurrection, death of Christ, all the things he was not believing, because he was believing only Torahs and prophets. And when Jesus had died on the cross, he shattered his face, and then disciples said that he has risen. So he was not accepting that idea, because in Torah they were not said that man will live again, resurrection will be there for the man. But the God, Jesus Christ, God Himself, and then He wanted to give the message that when doors were locked, and He came to see only for Thomas. So this message goes, if we are sometimes in our mentality, in our belief, our faith become less. So Jesus Himself come to in our mind, and He strengthen His faith, and still He does His ministry in each one of us citizens of the world. He is not stopped His ministry. He is not stop walking to every person. He used to walk. If Bible people say he used to walk village to village. So nowadays also he used to walk to person. If it is Muslim, Hindu or something, I don't want to take their name. But every person he will go to locked door. Our doors are locked. For many people lock their door, lock their mind, lock their spirit, lock their all the things, and they don't want to enter any godly thing, any Jesus Christ message. But He unlock our mind, unlock our spirit, and He comes and says that I am Lord, I am God, I am a risen God. So risen gods means he is a truly gods, and he said, whoever not seen and still they are believed, they are they will get prize in heaven. So this is for today.